So we're just about done with our number $600 JTA Game Jam, but it's not too late to jump in and try to win $100 yourself. So anyway, JTA Games is clearly the best teachers of game development out there for you and your friends. Hit subscribe, share, whatever. However, if you're looking for tutorials we just haven't made or you wish we explained things differently, then Humble Bundle might be the answer for you. If you don't know what Humble Bundle is, they're an organization that does these cool charity sales. And right now they've partnered with Zenva Academy for this $20 bundle of Unity courses. All these courses put together are valued at $1,000, but you only get it for 20 bucks. That being said, you only got 12 days left to jump on the sale. And it's got cool stuff like making your first 3D game, making an action RPG, making a kart racing game, XR interaction for your VR game if you want to do something in VR, first-person shooter, which is always fun, mobile physics game, and just a ton of other cool stuff that you definitely want to take a look at. Yeah, if you are interested in any one of these, then it's worth it to just get the whole thing. You spend $20, it's like getting 60% off on that course, along with a ton of other free ones that you might be interested in later. And you can use the link below to go grab it for yourself. And honestly, I would just keep up to date with Humble Bundle. They also do sales on like games and other stuff, and sometimes they might have what you need. Also, there's an Unreal Apocalypse asset package if you use Unreal as well. Moving on from Humble Bundle, there's also a huge sale going on at the Unity Asset Store for, again, like 95% off on stuff. And if you want to go and look at those bundles, you can use our affiliate link below. Now, we are sponsored by Unity, but these are still some great assets, and I think there's even an Unreal conversion to Unity, so if you want to get that Apocalypse package, then you might want to get that asset too. Anyway, we just figured that you guys would want to hear about these awesome tools, and that's it. Promise a tutorial's coming soon-ish.